As the day draws closer to an end, I got more to do still. Let's do it. Oh, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. Let's do that. Let's do that. I'm gonna take the long way and go through the stoplight. That was just a detective undercover car. I always like to see them around. I'm big gun authority. They're my heroes. God bless the peacemakers. I'll take a dirty cop over a dirty dope head or a dirty anything else ever. I just had that weird conversation in Dollar General. This guy, and they're banging out hard, and the lady and I from New Jersey were talking about crack and meth heads and bass boxing, and they're loud vibrating. And I said, well, I was taught that that's part of their meth head brain needs to have that banging to kind of give them a type of comfort to kind of, you call it like level out or ride out the buzz. Anyway. Another stop, and then I'll head home. Hopefully I'll get there before dark. Then I get everything unloaded, and then I will start working on a couple other things I need to do at home. There's always something to do, keeping me going, keeping me busy. My me list, honeydew to me list, is 1.5 miles long. And as soon as I cut half a mile off it, I add another mile. This would be 2 miles long. It's 5:59 here on the East Coast. We got the East Coast, the West Coast. We got Mountain Time and Central Time and Eastern Time. Yeah. She's looking busy over here. Let's keep this place going, everybody. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Let's keep these places going, y'all. So I guess I'm going to park over here. I love it, working canine. I love it. I love it. They may not be loved by all, but they're loved by me. That's for sure.